2026 Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium 2.5 represents a thoughtful integration of engineering efficiency and practical design, tailored to meet the evolving demands of modern mobility. Its 2.5-litre hybrid powertrain reflects Ford's ongoing commitment to sustainability without compromising on performance. The combination of an internal combustion engine with an electric motor ensures both reduced emissions and improved fuel economy, positioning the Tourneo as a responsible choice for families and professionals alike. The smooth transition between electric and gasoline power sources, facilitated by a refined automatic transmission, contributes to a driving experience that is both responsive and composed. From an interior perspective, the Tourneo Custom Titanium 2.5 exhibits a high level of ergonomic and aesthetic consideration. The cabin layout is intuitively arranged to accommodate up to 8 passengers with ease, offering generous spatial allowances in all seating rows. Notably, the inclusion of Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, along with compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, elevates the technological interface to contemporary standards. The vehicle's modular seating system enhances its adaptability, allowing users to alternate between cargo capacity and passenger comfort with minimal effort, an essential feature for users with dynamic transportation needs. Equally commendable is the vehicle's suite of safety and driver assistance technologies, which underscore Ford's emphasis on proactive safety. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system work in concert to reduce driver fatigue and enhance situational awareness. These systems are particularly valuable in urban environments and during extended travel. In summary, the 2026 Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium 2.5 is a compelling option for those seeking a versatile, technologically advanced, and environmentally conscious vehicle in the MPV category.